Hello, hello. How's it going, one and all? One and all. Ba-ba-ba, ba-ba-ba-ba. Mm-mm-mm. Ba-noo-noo. Ba-boom. Oh, what's that? Let's turn that off. Get off the screen. Get out of here. Where's my avatar? There you are. There you are. Boom. Yeah. Mmm. Slide over some Godot. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Ba-da-da-dum. Last time I made some good progress. I think I made it so you could just walk around and swing the sword. Right? It looked alright. I mean, not the best thing, but it works. That's all that matters. Okay. So next thing I think that I need to do. Yeah. Alright. So let me clean up this. I'm gonna have to push this, clean up the code a little bit. CD, game dev, and this one's that one. Status. Whoa. Oh, because I move folders around. Oops, get add. Haha, silly me. I think this one was... Should be committing at the end of the day rather than the start. It's a little silly to be doing it that late. Yep. So what did I do here? I made the character able to swing a weapon. So swing weapon in correct position. Added the offsets and all that. So we go ahead and push that bad boy out. All right. So cool, we're locked in. We can continue. Whoa, what happened to my bitrate? It's not good. Need to slide this over. Use my closer Wi-Fi. Then do that. Connect to you. Sweet. All right. Like how I started off my stream and just completely screwed up the title. Not playing Kingdom Hearts today. Actually working on shit. All right, I need to disable that weapon, I guess. So going forward, I'm gonna need weapon scenes, I guess, to kind of follow a similar kind of format. So I could probably make like a class that the sword can use. Let me first push the code to the sword then. Let's see if we can make that work. What I currently need to do is... I'm doing all this positioning and stuff in the action state when he's attacking. So I need to slide it over now to the sword. Let's go to player, state machine attacking. So it's in here. Let me open up this one, code. All right. Where are we doing all this sword shit? So I think we're gonna have to use inheritance here, so I can get some very basic stuff for positioning a weapon, and then after that it could be pretty flexible. Right. So I can slide over. Let's just do it now. Let's slide over to the weapon. I'm just gonna make a script called player, create new script. We'll call this weapon.gd. Let's make a folder actually. Let's throw that in there. Create new folder, weapon, and then create new script. And I guess I'll just call this like, this will just be like a base. So let's say, what's the naming convention that I was using? Capitals? All right. Base. Like a type. What the hell? All right. Base. Weapon.gd. Cool. Base weapon. All right. And this one. Shit. Let's go back. Attack. Here. Let's slide over some stuff. Node 2D is going to be a weapon. So we'll say this one is Node 2D. Sure. Extends Node 2D, yeah. Forgot the class name, base weapon, I guess. And then the weapon will be a Node 2D. Cool. Weapon sprite. Where do we use this? Nice. Swing sword toggle weapon. So all this, I think essentially all this can just kind of go. Okay, cool. And yeah, let's throw it at the end, I guess. Okay. If direction is down, so I kind of need to know. This needs to be passed in, I think. This will be a direction, which will just be a string. For now, we'll have to clean that up. And then weapon, that position. So this is not going to need to be weapon anymore. Right? We're just going to say... Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and replace these then. Weapon dot, and then replace with weapon. Oh, I need to throw in a backslash and a dot, I guess. Replace that with nothing. And then blah, blah, blah. We're good with that. Yep. A little bit of regex in my life. All right, now we have the weapon origin, which also needs to be pulled over, I guess. Origin. Right. Weapon offset, weapon origin. These can probably be pulled out. Swing speed, where is this used? Also used in there. Okay, cool. Base weapon. It's already probably not the best thing ever, but eh. Okay. So direction here, we have weapon sprite. Yeah. Pull this one out. We're gonna put this up here too. Okay. Pull this one out. This one on the ready. Equals just get node, I guess. Then slide on it. Let's go back to the other one. Okay. This is the player attack. So this is just going to be animating a player attack, and then it's going to be doing triggering some kind of thing in the weapon itself. We'll say this is actually base weapon. Okay. We could say maybe weapon dot set sword transform, right? And then we pass in the direction, because now that's just the function in there. Okay, and now we have toggle weapon, which is also going to be weapon dot toggle weapon. Again, let's say weapon dot, and then we'll go down 9 to this one. Whoa, what did I just do? Oh, oops. Okay, do it again. Cool, sweet. Is my bitrate going a little crazy? I'm not sure. Looks like it might be showing a blurry at times, and I'm not entirely sure if that's accurate or not. If someone's in chat, please correct me, because it's driving me crazy. We'll do that one. Okay, maybe it's not. Maybe I'm just going crazy. Cool. All right, next up. Looks fine to you? Sweet. Thanks for the feedback, by the way. Yeah, I'm just kind of peeking over from another laptop just to double check on things, but it keeps getting blurry, and I'm guessing that has to do with the auto resolutions. And it's just going like to the lowest for me, I guess, on that one. Huh. Thanks for that, though. Very appreciated. All right. Welcome, by the way. Cool, so all this is in. Weapon is just gonna be a base weapon now. Oh, we can get rid of this. D2G. Looking good. So now I just need to plug in this script and then do anything else additional that needs to be done, I guess. This probably already has way too many responsibilities for a base class. But I'm just gonna keep it like this for now. Until it bites me in the ass, then I'll fix it. Okay. Yeah. I'll at least name this let's do weapon. The weapon transport swing. Let's rename this one too. Swing what? Whoa. Swing weapon, toggle weapon. Okay. Set weapon. Did that not update? Uh-oh. Set weapon. It's not doing it. Oh, I'll just type it in. Transform. Okay. Damn you, auto completion. Okay, we're good here. Sweet. Alright, let me just... It's also kind of weird that this is going to be using a base class on a weapon, but whatever. Alright, let's attach it. See what breaks. Keep it simple for now. Swing speed, yeah, sure. Weapon offset, that's all set. And then this one, save. Player, go here. Attacking. Player is gonna have Weapon is gonna be... I'll just leave it like this for now. Is it just gonna work? Hold on. That'll be nuts. Oh my god, it just works. That's so good. So good. Nice. Exactly what I needed. Alright, so what it's also doing here is pretty shit. It's the weapon is visible when you first load the scene. Let's turn that off. Yep, nice. Just turned it off, it just works. Cool. Now, theoretically, I should be able to just make a different weapon and just kind of plug and play it. And it would just work. But I'm not going to do that right now. So this kind of works. Okay. I don't have to do anything crazy. Next up, need to go ahead and make them collide. So I kind of want to just make it so when it hits these guys, it push them back, I guess. I'm kind of thinking how I want to do this. I guess first I can kind of just give everything some kind of health. And when the sword collides with it, it'll... This probably need to be like an on-enter event or something. And then it'll subtract from the HP, however much damage. So let's get that functionality in first. I think they already have hitboxes. They already have a very basic state machine. A little overkill for what they're doing, but it is what it is. Okay. Let's go ahead and... This guy does not have a hitbox. Do none of them have hitboxes? Wait. Oh no. Oh, he's tiny. Alright, yeah, none of them have hitboxes. Alright, I'll start with the blob, I guess. Let's go ahead and give this guy a 2D collider. Collider, collision shape 2D. There we go. In here, give you a square. Oops. Slide your position down just a little bit. Still getting used to this. And we can make you a little bit smaller. The Y? Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Looking kind of sexy, Mr. Blob. Gonna smash that with the sword. Okay. Cool. I'm so sorry, by the way. Now screw that, I'm not sorry. He is gonna get smashed. Okay. So now he needs a little hitbox thing. Where do we do this? I have the collision mask that I need to worry about. So this will be on layer... I think I already did this. So layer 4 for enemies. And then this will interact with player. Doesn't need to interact with weapon. Or does it? Let's think about this. Would the weapon interact with the... What was the best way for this to work? If the enemy enters a weapon, or if a weapon enters an enemy, it would send a message to an enemy. Yeah. Yeah, I think I just let the weapon message the enemy. This doesn't need to actually mask with anything except for... So this will send messages to the player, I guess. If it collides with the player and say like, hey, I'm doing damage to you for X amount. Or if it's hitting terrain, I guess. And being like, I can't go through that. These would be the only two cases. Weapon doesn't matter because weapon's going to be talking to the enemy instead. Could be completely wrong. It's the magic that's working in my head. And maybe... do we want to make them collide with other enemies? Maybe? I don't think this will stop them from going through each other. I'll leave it off for now. Okay. So now we can just go to make a script. And this will be... I think I might have already had like a component for this, a health component. Yeah. Hold on. Very basic stuff. Cool. Just throw it on the blob. Let's give it a health component. This could just be like a separate thing, I guess. Maybe? I'm just gonna make a node 2D, screw it. And I'll just make it here. It's probably not the best decision, but sometimes you just gotta make choices and screw ourselves before we figure out the right answer. Let's do that. Health component. Maybe this could just attach to the collision shape 2D instead. What signals does this have? Or would it just be in the blob level? I don't know. No, so the weapon can hit the blob, and then the blob can send... it can check if the enemy has a... if the enemy has a health component, and if it has a health component, then you do X damage to that health component. Cool. Let's say, yeah, I think that's the answer. I think that's the answer. This mental model is going to drive me crazy. Just need to get something down. So let's say take funk and take damage. All right. DMG. Let's give this a float. Sure. So damage. I guess we'll just say minus equals oops, this is supposed to be health. What? Health. Okay. Health minus equals damage. And then I could just do like clamp, I guess. Clamp F. What were the parameters here? Float, min, max. Float, min, max. So the value. I can get rid of this minus then. So this needs to be the calculation here. Health minus damage. The minimum is 0. I guess the max is health minus damage. I don't know. Oh no, that'll be negative at some point. So this will just be health. I'll just set it to the max being health. In case there's like some kind of healing or something. I don't know. They'll just stay at the max health. Yeah, let's do that. Let's not overthink it. And then this will have an update function. Func. What was the update function called? Process. Process delta. If health is equal to 0, then this guy is... he's gone. You gone, my guy? Okay. How do I kill it? This will need to know... this will need to probably send a message, right? We'll have a signal saying, hey, parent, health component's gone, it's shot. You need to kill off the monster or whatever it is, and then it'll handle that. So the blob would be like, hey, play a death animation. That's how it's working in my head. Signal. I'll just say died. Or is there like a convention that I should use for signals? Player attack. State. Past tense is the convention I'm going with, so okay. Health component. I'll just call it died. Died. If health is equal to 0, then how do I do it again? State. It is transition.emit. Died.emit. Yeah. Yeah. And who's gonna listen? Who's gonna listen indeed? So ideally there'll be like some kind of enemy class that I could use or base that kind of catches these, and then it'll just pick it up and then do whatever. Can I stop sending the signal though? If the I'm just gonna hack it in for now. Health equals -1. So I could just send the signal and just stop for now. This is terrible, but hey. Temporary solution. Okay. Now we should have a signal here, died. Let's make a very general base enemy script. Make a script, base enemy. Base enemy. Cool. Then here. Say node 2D. So now we need to catch the signal. Ready. We'll assume that these all just kind of will have some kind of death. Let's just double check. State machine. I have to like connect it, right? Did I do that again? Okay. Child is get children if child is state. Right. So I don't have to do all that because I could just say, hey, I have a health component. Right? Let's go back to the health component. Let's give it a class. Class. Class name health component. I can say, hey, this is a health component. Let's capture it in the base enemy. If it exists. And if it exists, then we can just, I don't know, connect the signal. So let's say var HP component equals get node health component. All right. Is there like an as like? Can I do that? Is that a thing? I have no idea. We'll find out. If HP component. I guess not equal null. I'm not really sure. Oh wait, that's right. You don't need all this. Still a GD script noob. Do I even have to say this? Maybe I could just do that if HP component. Maybe that just implies that it's not null. HP. So how do I do this in the state machine? State machine. Child.transition.connect. Okay. So HP component dot HP component dot died dot connect. Now I need to make a function to plug in. Let's go ahead and do that. Func. Oh, just call it die, I guess. Shit. Rough. Then we could do. Oh, is queue free a thing? Nice. Okay, we'll just do that then. Does that automatically do self? Queues the object node to be deleted at the end of the current frame and delete all of its children are deleted as well. Okay, cool. Hey, that's very good. We'll just say die. Does it need these? No. Okay. Just die. Yeah, I have like. I need to use one naming convention because I got multiple things going on here. It's gonna drive me crazy. Maybe I'll just start migrating over now. I'll lowercase it. Okay. Cool. Cool. That should be good. So now this signal's connected. So if it sends out the signal, it'll do the thing. I don't even need a minus that HP anymore. Health component. Cool. I think we're set with that one. Or are we? Because it's gonna spam the shit out of this, I think. If I have any kind of animation and it's waiting for it to kick off. So it's probably not the best thing to do. Maybe I should just do it in the take damage. Yeah, maybe that's what I should do. Yeah, actually. Screw it. And that solves it. Oh no. Yank. Okay. Let's just do pass. Cool. Okay. Health is 0, die.emit. We're good. And I could just say at the top, if health equals 0, we're just gonna return. We're done. You don't need to do anything else. So it'd be playing the animation, kicking off. And hey, good to go. Let's say we'll do a print here just to make sure we're not going insane. And say took damage. DMG. How much health we got left?
Boskins just followed.
Hey Boskins, thanks for the follow. Greatly appreciate it. Hope you're doing well. And if you're on your game dev journey, you're enjoying it. It's been pretty fun so far. And let's say, I'm gonna print out the total health here too. Comma, total health. Boom, print that bad boy out. Good to go. Okay, Okay, let's take a peek. It's gonna break. Script inherits native type area 2D, so it can't be assigned. Oh, shit. Let's change it then to just be a node 2D. Node 2D. Right. Oops, tool damage. Tuck. Alright, typos. Alright, let's see if anything else breaks. I mean, it would be fine, but... And it shouldn't be actually doing anything yet because... Yeah. I didn't actually hook up any kind of collisions. So theoretically, this should do a bunch of stuff. Take the hit. I can call take damage when they collide. Then it should die. Or at least appear to die. It's just going to disappear from the game. But I mean, hey. Sounds good to me. Alright, so we can go back to... Let's go to the sword. Yeah. Base weapon. So if this collides now, we need to make sure that this... Right. This is going to have this guy. Do I have this collision set up? Layer. So this is going to mask. This is layer 2. This will mask with enemy, which I think is 4. Right. Shouldn't mask with anything else at the moment. So this should detect the collision. And then when it does, body entered. I think this is what I'm looking for. All right. I'm really hoping that this doesn't delete my code. So I'm just gonna back it up real quick. Every time I connect the signal, like, well, not every time, but a lot of times it just deletes my code. And I'm just gonna prevent that from happening by doing git commit. HB component. Okay, cool. Go ahead and push that. All right, let's see if this deletes my code. Shit sucks. Yep, send it up to the sword. On sword box body entered. Sure. I mean, this will be it for now, but let's just do a quick check. No, we're good. It didn't delete my code. I don't know why I was doing that before. It's so weird. It's like I did a bunch of code and then I connect the signal and then all of a sudden all my code is gone through all my files and like, well, shit. Gotta do it again. Certainly a really annoying bug. Okay. Base weapon. On enter body. If body is base enemy. Wait, what did I call it? Yeah, I did call it base enemy. Did I give it a class? Oops. Base enemy. No, I did not. Class name. Base enemy. Cool. Body is base enemy, then body. Oh, wait, no. Body. I need to check its child components. Right? If it has a health component. That get. Let's do body. That get. Children? Get children? Yeah? Yeah? Include internal bool false. Returns all children with node inside an array. Okay. Body dot get children dot. Or can I just like, I could just do this, right? I can just say, hey, look for one of these and just get it, right? The get node. I'll just say health component. And if as health component or health, I'll just call it HP component. All right, CT colon if HP component, then I could just say body. Oops, get you out of here. HP component dot take damage. I'm just gonna say like 5. I'm gonna go hard real quick. Let's just see if this does anything. This sword should have a collider already. Okay. It's probably not gonna work. Let's find out. Okay, blop, boom, nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Sweet. Alright, did it collide? Print. Hit. Okay, let's see if that even fires off. Oops, too far. Nope, didn't fire off either. Okay, so it's not even getting in there. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. So this has a collider. Let's double check the colliders. You're on layer 2. And you check for layer 4. Okay, the blob is on layer 4, and it checks for 1 and 3. Which is fine. I think it should work. Let's turn on the visible collision shapes. Let's see if I'm actually enabling the collider. Looks like it. Yeah, it's definitely enabled. A mystery. It's definitely doing 4, layer 4, layer 2, and checking for 4. Right. Am I missing something else? Monitoring. Text bodies or areas entering and exiting it. Am I using the right signal? Oh. Oh shit. It needs to use this one. Area entered. Whoops. I think that's the right one. Okay. Let's refactor that. Pull that out into here. Delete. Boom. Delete you. Get out of here. Wait, what? Why is that breaking? Let's see. Body not declared. Oh, it's area. Cool. Sweet. Okay, do you work now? Nice. Okay. So that's working. It is at 0 health. It just didn't blow up. Hell yeah. That's progress to me. Alright, so let's... So we can probably do like some kind of export, which would be export var weapon... Oops. Damage. Should be a float. I'll just set to 5 as default. G. Do that and just do weapon damage. Okay. Sweet. 2D. How y'all doing, by the way? Working on anything interesting? Working on your own art, your own game, music? Pretty big industry. So many things that you can do in this. It's crazy. Let me check why this isn't dying now. Alright. We can go to base enemy. Die.connect die. Print. Supposed to queue free. I will set up another thing, I guess. State. The health component. The die.emit. Print. Emitting. Emitting death. I'll just call it that. Double check. To make a centaur, but 4 legs is a lot. You also got to make 2 rib cages. How about that? Yeah, art is pretty rough. This is all the artwork I did. It is what it is, though, right? That's what we got. And this bat totally looks like it reminds me of the bat from Pokemon, like the Golbat. It's like wings and a face. Shit looks hilarious. Okay. So this is not emitting the signal, I guess. They do look pretty squishy. Hey, maybe they got a little bit of charm. Died. Do I need to hook this up like that? Base enemy. Get node health component. They spelled this right. Print. Connecting. HP signal. They do look squishy indeed. I mean, I'm gonna make a skeleton too. We'll see if that one looks squishy. I have my doubts. Oh, it didn't hook up the thing. HP component. Print. HP component. Something's weird here. Unready. Base enemy. The blob. Oh. I'm an idiot. Go figure why it didn't work. I didn't actually plug in the base enemy to this. My guy doesn't have the script on him. Go figure. So this should I think I should make a child node here and have area 2D. And then I can throw this collision shape under it. Right? And this could just be a node 2D. Change type. Node 2D. I think this is probably the right approach. I'll throw my base enemy on there. Boom. Holy shit, the rain is starting to come. So relaxing. Is it gonna break? It's gonna break. Oh, it got it. It got the health component. Okay. It's not colliding anymore. Because I need to set it up. Okay, I think this is gonna work. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. 4, 1, and 3. Take that one off. Alright. Here we go. Moment of truth. 1, 2. God damn it. I didn't do it. You're not colliding. Why are you not colliding? You're on layer 4, right? Okay, you are. The area 2D, blah, blah, blah. Node. Just fine. Did I need to set up the collision shape? So this is supposed to take damage on collision, right? So blob is supposed to be, let's see, weapon, base weapon, right? HP component, area.getNode. Oh, because What a pain. I see what happened. So I connected it to the area 2D signal because it was an area 2D before, and now it's a node 2D. So now I have to go back to the original call. Can I just do like that? I don't know. Is that what it's supposed to be called? No, let me just undo it. I'm just gonna undo. Save. And I will go to this one. Signals. Wait. This will go back to the sword. On the sword box entered, on area entered. This one needs to be on body entered. Right. On sword box body entered. I just kind of undo all this. Yeah. Yeah. And then I'll just say, oh shit, it's gone. Export var weapon damage. Nice. Float 5. Go all the way to the bottom. CIB. Enter that weapon damage. Okay. So this is connected. Area entered. Get out of here. Not needed anymore. Body entered. So this is a body now. Yep. Yep. Looking good. Okay. Moment of truth. Boom, boom. Nope. God damn it. What's going on? Like, I'm pretty sure that was the thing. Print. Hit. Pretty sure that was it. No. It's not even detecting the collision. Okay. Sword box body entered. Let's disconnect this and reconnect it. I don't know. Maybe something weird is going on. Yeah? No. Alright, I'm being stupid somewhere then. Let's figure it out. Which way am I being an idiot today? Okay. Sword box is... We'll double check this now. This is on layer 2. Checking for layer 4. Okay. The blob is... on layer 4, which is the mask on the other one is 4. That should connect. Bit to value 4, right? I'm actually lost. I don't know why it's not working. Whoa. Why are you not working, my guy? It's very weird. It's not working at all. Okay. Reassess. We'll go to the blob. So this guy is a node 2D. And it's checking for the collision with the area 2D. Okay. Oh, wait. Am I just being stupid again? I don't even know anymore. I mean, it's a child node now, but I don't think that should matter, right? Hold on. Maybe the area 2D should be a health component. I changed it back again, like I feel like I'm just being stupid back and forth now. Let's try this again. Health box. I think it was colliding with the other one. And hold on. I think the answer here is just to make a hurt box that has health attached to it, I guess. But this should be colliding with the area 2D, not body 2D. Let's go back to sword. Yet again, area enter 2D. Connect. Let's just double check. Let's do a print. Print. Hit area. Okay. Right. And the child component is not that hitbox anymore because, or the health component. Right. Okay, that's working. Cool. Because it's like a sibling node, not yeah, it's not a child node anymore since it's not at the root. So if area is it, what did I call it? Health component. Health component. If area is health component. Why do I keep putting these? So used to those from other programming languages. All right. So if the area is a health component, then I'll do area dot take damage. Cool, and this will just be damage, weapon damage. Boom, just get rid of all this. Boom, 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 boom. Delete that. Okay. Hold on. Oh, right. I didn't connect the, let's go to blob. The health component. Let's just delete this shit. You're out of here. All right? You're out of here. Make that a health component. Bam. Now, this has to work. If it doesn't work, I'm throwing this game out the window. Oh, wait. I see a null. I'm scared. I see a null. It's not going to work. Wait. This has to work first try. Let's go. Let's go. We're close. I saw it say null. That's a hint. Base. Enemy. Okay. HP component. Get node. Health component. Base enemy. Get node. Let's call you Hurtbox. Rename. Nah, screw it. I'm calling it Hurtbox. Sounds nice. Hurtbox. Hurtbox as health component. Okay. Peeking. Found it. Okay. Take damage. Okay. Boom. Blew up. Hell yeah. It works. That's good. That's so good. If you get an error, you need to delete everything and start over. Oh no. Nobody would ever get anything done. Either that or they become a master in the process. That'd be ridiculous. My dude, you could participate in that. Not for me. I make mistakes all the time. I can't even talk properly sometimes, alright? Okay. It feels really nice though. I got this working. So I can probably... This is already kind of abstract, so I can make the Hurtbox its own... I can make it its own scene, I guess. But I could do it without the collision shape. And then I could just apply that to all the enemies. I think that'd be pretty sweet. By the way, what kind of game are you making? You mentioned making a centaur. Centaur. We got this. How do I make this into its own scene? Let's see. Save branches scene. Hurt box. Top down action roguelike. Okay. We're in competition, I see. That's pretty cool. How much have you worked on it? Like, I know some people are pretty far along the process. Hurt box. Let's do this as a new folder. Components. Okay. Hurt box. Nice. This will be its own scene. Go to the scene here. Delete the collision shape. Okay. Done. It's fine. This doesn't need the collider blob. I can just add the collider here. Collider 2D. Boom. And I'll just make this a square again. We'll just redo this guy. Yeah. I'm actually not really sure what kind of game I want to make this yet. I'm just kind of making shit because it's fun. But I was thinking, I really do want to implement some kind of action RPG kind of playstyle. Character can level up. Killing shit tons of monsters. I do like what they did with Vampire Survival, where you level up really quickly and get a bunch of abilities. But I'm probably not going to go that hard into it. It'll probably be a little more limited and a little more skill-based. But kind of going down to a dungeon, dying, starting over, that kind of thing. Roguelike, like you mentioned. How long have you been working on it for? Transform. Make this guy slide up a little. Yeah. Slide down just a little bit. Okay. Like 3 months. Oh, that's pretty good. You doing everything yourself, like art, music, all the good stuff? Should just work now. Nice. Sweet. How are you gonna do the music? Like, have you learned music? Do you know music theory and all that? Or are you just kind of... Because music is a little harder. Like, art, you can kind of just... I don't know. I think anyone can pick up art pretty easily. Like, even if it looks like shit, like, you can get something that's relatively okay. I think. I mean, there's programmer art, but it looks relatively okay in a short amount of time. But music, oh man, music. Like, generally, you kind of need to be a little bit skilled at an instrument, I feel like. And then you'd be able to create your own tracks and stuff. Maybe. Have you tried working on anything in the music side of things? Like, I tried teaching myself a little bit of piano, so recreating my favorite songs. But I think the hard part is definitely learning well enough that I can just kind of improvise a little bit. I'm not at that stage yet. Not even close, I think. Same. Yeah, I was considering just trying to see if find somebody that knows some music. You get the trial version, or did you actually purchase it for FL Studio? Because I have the trial. I just hooked it up to my piano and just mess around with it a little bit. Play a little Undertale soundtrack or Final Fantasy. They have a lot of stuff in it, though. It's very overwhelming. All right, let's set up my other guys. You need to be a Node 2D now. All right, you have a state machine. Cool. Pull you in. Is there any way I can just kind of like make a component that already comes with these things pre-built into it? Like, I guess like a prefab? And then just add on to it? Would it just need to... Hold on. Change type. Health component is a thing now. Oh, interesting. Maybe I could do that. Maybe I could do this with scenes. Hold on. Why is health component a pickable option here? Health component. That's because it has a class associated with it, right? Like, what I'm wondering is, can I change this type to just be base enemy that comes with an animated sprite 2D, a state machine with these two basic things in it, and then a health component? That'd be interesting. And then I don't have to like redo a bunch of stuff every time we make something new. Maybe I can. Let me try that, yeah. Let's do scene. I don't know, base enemy. Okay. And this will have... And this has a script associated with the base enemy, right? Oops. Let's attach a script. And that might be easier, just drag and drop it. Base enemy. Yep. Boom. And then you need to have animated sprite 2D. You also need to have state machine. Yeah. Then you need to have idle. Where? Oh wait, no, not that one. And this one needs to have a state machine. Patrolling, chasing. Chasing? I don't know. Are these not their own things? Uh-oh. I probably don't have these as their own scenes. Is a state machine a scene? Scenes, components, hurt box, levels, weapons. No, it's not. Oh, my mind is blowing up right now. Oof. So how was I able to make this just now? This is not a scene. I could just make a node from a script, I guess. A child node. The script is state machine. Yeah? So it makes it with the script. Add child node, and then what is the script for this guy? Let's see. Let's just see. Blob. You, get over here. Enemy patrolling. Add child node. Enemy. I think I know why it's not showing up. Hold on. Enemy patrolling. It doesn't have its own class? Come on, let that be the reason. Yes. Class. Name. Enemy patrolling. Okay. Enemy chasing. Okay. Class. Last name. Enemy. Whoops. Chasing. A child node. Enemy patrolling. Boom. A child node. Enemy chasing. Cool. Okay, I'm starting to get this. That makes sense. God damn. Getting in it. Getting in it. Alright, and base enemy is gonna need a hurt box or HP component. Health component. Okay. Health component. Right? Which wait, I thought the health component was area 2D? Oh shit, wait, it's not. Oh no. Blob. Oh, I gotta fix that. Okay. Area 2D. Cool. Thank you, Blob. You're teaching me many things. Okay. Health component. Delete this one. Remake it. Nice. All right. I'm gonna delete this guy. Just gonna remake you. And just kind of hope you work. Initial state, we can assign enemy patrolling, enemy chasing. I'll assign you to patrol. Base. I feel like this can be automated. State, machine. Parent node is just going to be the node above. Let's get rid of this export. Get out of here. Parents node equals get parent, I guess. I mean, I could always just call get parent, but is this even used? Yeah, it's probably used somewhere. This will apply to everybody. Okay, cool. So I think this is a very rough one, but it works. Child, and then this automatically loads the children states in by name, so I don't need to actually mention anything here. Cool. These have defaults. We're good. Hey, Jenny. First time chat yet again. I see you have a new name. Welcome back, though. I hope your studying is going good, too. Still working on that JavaScript. JavaScript. Oops. Okay, extends area 2D. Right. Which one is complaining here? Health component extends area 2D. The blob is not in area 2D. Health component. Blob. Here's your hurt box. You're in area 2D. Base enemy. Your health component is area 2D. Wait. What's complaining? Health component for base enemy. Script inherits from native type area 2D, so it cannot be assigned to an object of type node 2D. Let me process that. Slacking a couple of days. Oh no. No, sometimes you need a break. Get to rest a little from time to time and get back on it. And you never know, sometimes you grow a little stronger when you come back. Alright, I screwed something up royally here. 1. So this is health component. Here in the base enemy. This guy shouldn't, like, he's not in the scene. So why are you complaining? Okay. So which one is the one crapping out? Is it Blob? It's not player. Let me delete these guys. Get out of here. We just get the blob. Reduce our area of failing. Okay, it was one of those. Boom, boom. Okay, that one's gone. Cool. That all works. I need to redo how those are working, which is fine. Because I just refactored all this. So let's delete them. Mob G. Enemy. Alright, we're gonna delete you. Get out of here, Deb. Get out of here, Maddie. Okay. Assuming all is kind of working the way it needs to. Can I say a scene will inherit from another scene now? Base enemy? How did these things load in here? This is loading from the script. I need it to be like a prefab or something, like something I can use as a starter. Get going. I wonder if there's anything I can do like that. What's a resource? Oh, like these things. Okay. Actually don't really know anything about this. I'm probably gonna have to learn that. I didn't make that base enemy. Would I just duplicate this then? Say, hey, I'm gonna call this one. This one's gonna be the mouse. I mean, fine. And then this will have the animated sprite 2D. You're gonna be a mouse. Nothing you can do about it. Can't do anything about it. Sprites. Enemies. Oh wait, I just have to do it from here. Of course. Enemies. This one's Deb. Alright, 2 horizontal and 1. Like that. Select all. It's working mouse. Let's play it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Yeah. We can leave it like that for now. Alright, and now we'll give you a child node, and it's going to be... Oops. This will be 2D... Oh shit, I think I messed up. Wait. This base enemy, you need to have the collision layer correct. You need to do 4. You're layer 4, and then you interact with 1 and 3. But now I need to fix this guy because he didn't do it. 4, 1, 3. There's probably an easier way to do this. Like, Um, like maybe I could have like a enemy health component or something. And then that one will automatically load in the layer for me. I don't have to do this every time. Yeah, maybe. And then if I need to update it in one spot, it'll update it everywhere. Yes, actually. I think that is the answer. But for now, I'm just going to leave it simple. Let's not overthink. When I go into the next enemies, I'm going to have to start doing it, though, I think. But I have my base enemy. Okay. Let's go to scenes, enemy. Base enemy. All right, you... Wait. Yeah, that's right, because I already updated it. Cool. There we go. Mouse. He's in. You're in, my guy. You're in. Patrolling. So let's set seconds to adjust route. Every 3 seconds, he'll change the direction he's going in. And the chase speed will be like, I don't know, 15? I'm not sure what... I don't remember what these things had to be. Let's do collider collision shape 2D. And give you a small square. Make it relatively okay. Yeah, whatever. It's good enough. Chill with that. Alright, let's drop you into the main scene. Alright, enemy will get a wild Deb has appeared. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. It's emitting death, but it's not capturing it. Health component, node, died. Base enemy. I thought base enemy connects the hurt box. Oh, that's why. Can I get node by type instead? Is that an option? Node path. Hold on. CI word. Get node. Is that the only thing? Hold on. Maybe there's a... I need to look at the documentation, I think. What was that, F1? I don't even look at the documentation that much. Get node. Node. Okay. Get node. I want to get node of type. So maybe I could just kind of get the children and then just iterate through it. Maybe? So it wouldn't matter what it's named. I just want to get it by the type it is, the class. Yeah, let's try that. Var children equals get children. Okay, so for child in children, I don't remember how to do the for each loops in this. If child is health component, then I want to do this. Yeah. Call this child. How that died, that connects. So we'll connect the signal here. And if I want to do anything with any other signals in the future, it could just all be done through here, I guess. All right, so let's see if it connects. Please connect. Connect. Do it. He's moving slow. 1, 2. Yes, it works. Sweet. 1, 2. It just works. All right, so that one is set up. So if I do the next one, maybe it'll just be easier. This one's the bat. Create new scene. Okay. It's just like this. No, duplicate this scene. Call this one Maddie. All right. This one has the animated sprite for the bat. We'll hook that up. Sprites. I keep scrolling down. I just have to do it through here. To select all. Oh, whoops. Verticals 1. What am I doing? Select all. Boom. Sweet. Looking good. You're gonna flap away? Yeah, you're flapping now. Shake them wings. Okay. Collision shape 2D. You also be a square. Slide you up. Boom. Slide you down a little. Yeah. Yeah. Slide you out a little. Cool. And this enemy's ready. I think I'm ready to just drag and drop it in. Main. Alright, let's check it out. Does it just work? Oh shit. This one's off the screen. Stop. I should probably rename these enemies. Base enemy is not a good name. Okay. Good. Oh, it's not flapping. What's wrong with you? This one's broken. Animated sprite 2D. You're playing default. Wait. Wait, was the mouse also playing the animation? Yeah, it is. It's not. Okay, right. I didn't name it the correct thing. What does the animation have to be called? Move. Not the best name. Do that. Move. Okay, rename you. You're gonna be move also. And now the bat needs to actually do stuff. Seconds to adjust. Cool. Chase speed. You're like 30. You're gonna be quicker. I don't know why it's not moving though, but hey, gets deleted. Initial state. Patrolling. Yeah. Sounds right. This one is, we'll call you Deb. Oops. By the way, if anyone wants me to make a character after them, just say what you want to be and I'm going to make you. And then I'm going to destroy you. Wait, why is that one not going anywhere? Blob. Trolling. To chase speed 20. Initial state. Okay. Parent. Good. Yeah, I don't know why that one isn't moving. It's kind of weird. Where do I get the speed from? Ah, speed. That can suggest speed is a vector. Why is speed a vector? Got it. So it's like it's a start speed and a min speed and a max speed. Got you. Speed 10 to 20. This one could be 10 to 30. Then you chase that one. Why isn't it moving though? That's so weird. Wonder what's going on here. Pal died. Connect. Okay, so we can get out of this one. This one is good. You're good. Health component. You're good. We get rid of the prince. Sure. The empty line. Just clean up a little bit. Close that one. Get first node and group target player. The other ones are find the player. Rent target. Let's see if this is gonna give me any insight. Player. So they all found the player. Whoa, okay, it's moving. Oh, it's not broken. Is it? Kinda. Because it's moving when I get further away from it, which means the patrol state is fine. But the chasing state is broken for both of them. Okay. Why is that? Enemy chasing. Chase. Okay. Let's look at this. Enemy chasing. Okay. Okay, target tree, animation play, blah 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 blah, distance. If no target, then transition to patrolling. If distance, okay, so let's say I'm just gonna print chasing. It's gonna be a lot of prints, but let's find out. No, it's not. Okay, let's print. Get tree, get first node and group player. Okay, no player found. And we'll print here. Too far from player. It's like going between patrolling and then chasing at the same time. Too far from player. Chasing. Okay, the blob is working. He's working fine. This bat, though. It's very peculiar. Okay. Print distance. Sprint the distance. Let's see how far it is. Okay. When do I do the chasing? Well, enemy patrol. If it's less than 100, then it starts chasing. Distance is less than 100. Transition to chasing. Return. Why? Why is this L messed up? It's bothering me. I need to fix it. Oops. Flip. Flip. Flip it off. Or calibrate route. I'm picking a random range between -1 and 1. Wouldn't this be able to get like a 0? That's not good. It can't be 0 though. Yeah, that's not even the problem right now. Distance less than 100. Sprint. Begin chase. Something's stuck. They keep saying begin chase, but then not chasing. Okay. Update patrol, delta. Control route, recalibrate route. Parent node dot position that distance to. What's the parent node here? So enemy patrolling, UD. Parent node is just the state machine, I guess. Where are you? State machine. Should just be 0, 0, right? Hold on. Parent node, state machine. Yeah, they're all just nodes. Wonder why that's not working. So this keeps transitioning to chasing. Oh, that's the issue. There's no state called tracing. That's the issue. Okay. Ding 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 ding. Because I'm doing this by name. So if I want to make this, I want to be able to transition this based on the class, I guess, that it uses. Enemy chasing? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have to edit the state machine, I think. Transition.emit. This is gonna break the player too, because the player uses the state machine. But I think if I use the class names instead of the names of the things themselves, then we should be good. The nodes, because I don't want to rely on the nodes too much. the node names. Feels very inflexible. That could be wrong. Maybe this is a terrible thing to do. But let's do it anyway. Okay. So I want to transition to... I could just leave them as default names too, right? We have enemy chasing. Let's do... Like, I know in C# you could do like a name of. So that it keeps your strings kind of constant. Maybe I'm just gonna have to define a constant somewhere. Which is probably fine. I'm not sure how I can pull in like global constants into this file, for instance. Let's see. Global is one approach. The other approach is to get the name of the actual class itself. Let's see if Godot has like Godot name of class. Print name. Well, I do want the class name. Get class. But again, not really. That's great. I'm just gonna write the class names in. I'll worry about it later. This is the enemy patrolling. Woo, rain is coming down hard now. Okay. And then we go to enemy patrolling. This will transition. Enemy chasing. Let's use the class names. We'll go to this will, I'm gonna have to give a name to each one of these states. Class name. I could do it later actually. I don't need to do this now. Let's not waste time. Let's not waste the time. They're chasing now. They're good. They're happy. They're chasing me. Yeah. Cool. Now I need to factor in something that's like knockback. Maybe I could just throw this into the health component for now. And say, hey, if you get smacked, you lose HP. If you have knockback, then you push the position back a little bit. It's probably fine. I think that's probably fine. Okay. This is all working now. That's really nice. Let's just fix this guy up a little bit. You're a little bit slow. Push you like 25. You're a mouse. You gotta be a little speedy boy. Yeah. There we go. Alright, let's get some knockback. I feel like knockback is the only thing that's missing now. From this. But before we go in, boom. Terminal. Character body 2D. I made this a while back. I can't remember the decision why I went with this. So I can't really say. But for these, I don't really care too much about physics. I think the character body 2D does a lot of the physics stuff. I might care about it later, and then it might matter more. I guess when I hit that road, I'll get to it. So character body 2D might help when I'm trying to collide with walls and other things on the same layer. Because that does handle it all by itself, right? This one's not going to do it. Very nice cat. Thank you, He-Man. You know it's not a cat. You know it's not a cat. Screwing with me. Handles movement too. Just changed velocity. Yeah. Okay. That might be something I have to consider then. Right now the state machine is handling the way it does the how fast it's moving. Maybe it shouldn't. This could just kind of maybe this would be able to handle all of it. Alright, yeah. I think when I need it, I'm probably going to swap over. I probably will need it, though. That's a good point. Yep. Yeah, I'm not even sure what kind of system I'm making, so... I think the Area 2D is... It appears to be more lightweight because it does less stuff. So I'm just sticking with that for now. And then when I need something a little more complex, I can probably move over to it. So I'm probably going to want the characters, the enemies to collide with walls and other enemies. So maybe the character body is going to be more helpful in that regard. Because I don't know if Area 2D handles that. Nope, not playing games today. I'm making them. All right, we go hard sometimes. Game dev. This one. Jeez, what did I even do? Use Harry's hitboxes. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of what I'm doing there for the hitbox. Because I have it just connected to health, and then I'm not too sure how I'm gonna tie that in with like collisions and stuff though, because that seems like a different kind of component, if you get what I mean. Just kind of learning this Godot stuff though. What did I do? Git add, this one, git commit. Create base, enemy. And then hitboxes? I don't remember. Whatever. Hitbox stuff. Git push. Okay. Oh no, when did the playlist change? I wasn't even paying attention. Holy shit. The rain is coming down hard. Whoa. Give me 1 second. All right, I'll be right back. This rain is so crazy. I need to close some windows. Alright, I'm back. It's like a typhoon outside. It's crazy. Yeah, keep it up. We'll play your game one day. Looking forward to it. When's that demo coming out? I'll buy it. I'll buy the demo. Okay. Cool, this stuff's working. E-Man. What animal do you want to be? Give me an option and I'll make it. Bum ba-dum bum ba-dum. Health on hit. Keep the price low. Only $50. I got you. I'm gonna come out with a AAA game. Take damage. So maybe I can do something like I can send a signal. The health component can send a signal that's taking damage. Make a bubble up to something else, and then something else can read it. I don't know. Maybe that could handle the sliding back and stuff. That'll just be broken into components. Yeah, I think I kind of like the idea of that more than the health component being responsible for knockback. Related but segregated, but then again, it'll be reliant on the health component anyway, so it feels kind of feels like it might make sense to just having the health component for now. I'm probably gonna do that. Knockback 0 will just do nothing. Max of $13 you can afford. All right, I'll cut you a special deal, $60. Consider it sold. Cool. Well, if you do that, swing back over here and I will play it. I'll play it on stream. It's pretty cool to see the stuff that people are making. All right, let's go to base enemy. This one's good. Get rid of this. Boom. Stream is cheaper. Stream is cheaper. You can watch me play my own game, then wish that you one day had it. Seeing as you can conjure $60, it'll be yours. I'm a terrible evil villain. I can't do it. Enemy patrolling, you're close. Enemy chasing, you're close. Let's clear the slate. Hey Bear, how's it going? You said that your game came out on Monday, right? Was it this Monday or was it Monday coming up? I don't remember. Awesome. Cool. To the top players in the demo. By the way, if y'all don't know, he was making a game. What was it called again? We take a peek of it on stream. Survival Escape, right? Survival Escape. Boom. I like that you have the leaderboards too. It's always good to add a little competition in there. Right? Just adds so much to a game. Cool. How do you manage the database for leaderboards? A little bit curious about that. Steamworks, okay. Oh, they do. Sweet. That makes things a lot easier. Yeah, if you don't have to manage your own database and stuff, that's amazing. That's really cool that they offer that. Yeah. If any of you in chat are curious, And bam. Feel free to take a peek. And this was in Godot, right? Nice. Went the full Godot route. Embracing language and all. I need to set up knockback for this. Turn off gliders. Bob, why are you not moving? Debug, visible glider shapes. I think soon I'm ready to, after I add a little bit of knockback into this, I can actually start doing maybe a little bit of spawn designing and that kind of stuff. And then maybe a level up system, add some abilities, take it from there. And then that's probably going to be a similar game to what you got there. But it's pretty fun to make this kind of thing. I really like the rolling mechanic. It's awesome. Yeah. Like I was making that platformer before, and I don't know. I'm not really much of a platformer fan, I guess. It started getting boring. So, moving on to better things. This one has been a blast so far to work on, though. All right. Boom. Boom. And give a shout out to you, though. Maybe I'll make you a bear in my game. I already have a few people as monsters. Can you use a bear? Hold on. Let's delete this one. Actually, let's just delete this. We'll delete the ones I don't have anything for. Boom. Boom. Let's make a bear. It's gonna look terrible, but we'll do it. Boom. Whoops. Undo, undo, undo. They could be. Yeah, I was kind of thinking a bear with the lion's mane. And I'll actually call it a bear-like lion. Let's duplicate this guy. Bear-like lion. All right. Oh man, this is gonna be rough. I haven't practiced in a while, and I'm already shit at it. Like, if you haven't seen, this is a bat. Okay, that's a bat. And this is a rat. It's not a cat. So, this guy I downloaded for free. So, that's that. Got a sprite. Hold on. What was the... Interesting. 32, 32. I'm gonna have to connect my that thing. I have a little drawing tablet. It's always busted up whenever I plug it in. Yeah, I did kind of wish I had somebody that could do art for me. And then somebody else that could do music for me, but sometimes you gotta venture it alone. Oh yeah? That's awesome. Yeah, I remember you told me you guys kind of worked on it together. That's pretty cool too. That is super awesome. It's terrible explaining what you want. Hey, Well, welcome to being a programmer. Our communication skills aren't that great. That's really cool. Have unique music for every level. It adds the spice of variety in there. Alright, it's over here now? Okay, now we're working. Okay. This bear is gonna be... This bear needs to be walking... I feel like it'd be pretty fun if it's walking on 2 legs. And then had a lion's mane. But that might be pretty hard to do. Let's see, bear. Let's look at a picture of a bear. Bear standing. Pull this over. Okay, we need a reference. I did the last ones without a reference and they came out terrible. So we'll see if using a reference helps me at all. Or makes it worse. Alright, I kind of like this guy. It's pretty good. And... Don't get too excited. I think I'm gonna use the side angle like this. That's probably good. Okay. Slide you over. We're good. I already kind of forgot how to do everything in this. Let's remember. Slide over. Yeah, we need a brown. Let's first kind of slide up here. Is that a good color? I mean, it's probably not going to matter too much. I need brush. And pixel perfect off. Okay, cool. I'm probably gonna do side angle. They're gonna be looking left and right. It's my turn looking ass. Speaking of ass, I'm gonna give this bear a little bit of a butt, alright? You're gonna have a dunk. Alright, boom. Let's just give it a basic outline. Okay. Boom. He's gonna have a bit of a... Oh my god. Damn, that donk though. Alright. This looks like a horse. Like a seahorse. Hold on. We're gonna have to reevaluate. Maybe too much of a belly. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. We have to keep this safe for work. Alright. Okay. Now we need some arms, right? Okay. My guy looks a little like a horse, though. We'll fix that somehow. Let's just fill it in. Give you black. The blacks. Okay. Okay. Cool. Already looking terrible. Love it. Okay. Let's give you some ears. Probably gonna need another. Start doing some outlines. Damn, why is that eraser so thick? The hell? Okay. That was a really thick eraser. We're good now. Slide it on in. Boom. Actually, maybe we don't need that much. Doom, 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 doom. Gonna have to give you another arm though. Probably when you're walking. Just frame it in, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. This doesn't even look like a bear to me so far, but we'll see if we can make it work. That butt's a little too thick, though. My guy, you're gonna have to lay off the squats, all right? No, I'm actually just gonna leave it like that. Screw it. Oh, if my game ever comes out, I'm gonna have to label it not safe for work. Okay. Yeah, that's it. The clapping sound effect. I think you have a good point there. Oh my god. I'm dying. Yeah. That's a very valid point. We're absolutely gonna need that. Oh my god. Wait, where's my brush? Give me a brush. Oh my god, I feel lightheaded. Alright. Need a little bit of belly though, right? Yeah. Alright, let's give you a face. It's kind of looking like a bear, a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know why the two legs are like this. Whatever. A bit of a happy boy, alright? Let me slide this back so I can see it from further away. Yeah. That's kind of looking like a bear. Just a little bit. Just a very little bit. These ears have a problem, though. That's gonna have to be fixed. Oh, man. Gotta slim it down a little. Clapping sound in it walks. Oh my god, you had me dying. Okay, let's do that. Slide it down just a little bit. And then maybe just slide it in back over here. And then it'll kind of... Oh my god, the butt's only going to be popping more if I do this, but... Okay, just do like that. Boom. Okay, slide that over, get rid of all this. Okay. Not too shabby. Oh, it's terrible. Who am I kidding? But you can't unsee Yoshi. I just have to extend this boy, give him a tail. He's getting pretty close. Pretty close to a Yoshi. Now he needs a lion's mane now. So this is like, how am I gonna work that in? That's gonna be the tricky part. All right. I mean, it's gonna have to be... Oh shit, wait. No, it doesn't need to go all the way around. Kind of like that. Alright. Oops. Oops. Oh shit. Alright. You kind of got a mane. Let's give that a outline too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Okay. Cut that off like that. Slide them in. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe give it one more of those. One more of those guys. Oops. Yeah. There we go. Then we'll delete this. Oops. Oh my god, it doesn't even look like it looks like one of those 70s hairdos. Well, I think I just need to slide this over a little bit and then maybe we'll fix it. If not, it's just gonna stay as 70s hairdo and that's what it's gonna be. Yeah, it just got worse. I'm leaving it like that. Okay. Perfect in my book. Let's make a new frame. Alright, this will be the walking animation, so I'm gonna give it jiggle physics too, so don't you worry. Alright, let's slide this leg over here. Boom, boom, boom. You going over there. Okay, just blocking this leg in. I could play this one over here really slowly so I can see it transforming in real time. Playback speed slow. Yeah. Let's work on that butt though. Alright, we're just gonna slide that up a little. Oh yeah. Oh, that's tasty. Alright. Okay, and this leg needs to go back a little bit now. I think that should do the trick. Okay, slide that over. Maybe get rid of that. Oops. That. Don't do that. Maybe we'll make the belly jiggle a little bit too. I'm having too much fun with this. That bear is backed up. Alright. You got jiggle physics, you got everything. Alright, let's move the arms. Got another arm popping out now. Maybe. Go get another arm coming out of here. Drop a G in there. Boom. Okay. And then this arm will have to be moving back, I guess. I don't know. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I need a brush. Okay. There. Those arms are a little bit short, though. when he's walking, let's make him open his mouth. Maybe keep the smile, though. Oops, it slid back a little bit. It was over there. All right. Yeah. Yeah. That looks a little weird. That looks kind of weird. Let's get rid of those. Nah, that's not doing it. No? Uh-oh. His mouth is getting me. Screw it. I'm gonna leave it 1 pixel like that. And then deleting that last pixel though kind of screws it, I think. We need it. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Yeah, kinda is like lying. Bear like the lion. Quite definitely. I should make the hair move a little bit too. Like I'm just calling it hair, it's not even a mane anymore. It's hair. Wait, that moved a little too much. I could just move it up a little. Yeah, that might do it. Slide that up, I guess. Boom. Yeah. And maybe I'll just like make this slide slightly forward over here. Hair physics. You got it all. And boom. Slide that off a little bit, and we're good. Toasty. No, I kind of like that, I think, a little more. Yeah. Yeah, it kind of feels like he's moving now. Now we just need to make that clapping sound when he walks. Give him a little bit of that. Okay. That'll come later. Let's go back to this one. Then we're in sprites. Enemies. Bear. Bear. Bear like lion. Sweet. It's just too interesting of a name for a character. We gotta do it. Sprites. We'll export you. Export sprite sheet. No, thank you. Give me a character design. Yep, that's it. You're like lion, I'll call you that PNG, whatever. Boom. Let's just, we'll throw you in there immediately. Get your character moving. Let's duplicate this guy. Oh wait, did I already set this up? Yeah, I did. Okay. This should be pretty quick now that everything is working. Okay. Slide this guy over. This is a 2x1. Oops, not 21. Select all. Boom. Add the frames. See him moving. Computer is now typing Chinese. RIP. You cannot escape. Yeah, let's set him to 3. 3 sounds good. Okay. Health component. We'll throw in a little collision shape 2D. You're gonna have square. No, we might need a circle because of that donk, but square will suffice for now. You got a fat collider. I see. Yeah. I imagine localization is a lot of work. Okay, let's drop you in. Let's see if you're walking. Boom, you're in. Oh shit, you're moving. Wait, your animation, oh. I need to name the animation. Right. You don't? I thought everybody spoke those. Nice. Oh, the chase speed is super slow. Yeah, Windows Space does it. You'll be a quick boy. Yep, Windows Space. There you go. Boom, moving. The dunk. All right, get rid of him. He's out of here. Yep, there goes the Korean. All right. That was good. That was good. What am I doing? Learning other languages, apparently. Making an action RPG. Move down for my platformer. I gave this bear a donk. Inspired from Bear Like Lion. I need to give these guys knockback. Knockback resistance, maybe? Ooh. And apparently we're learning languages too. By the way, Bear Like Lion, you type the word for little, like a bit, in Korean. Chom. You got that guy. Oh. I do speak some Korean. Oops, where'd it go? Oh, Chom. That one. You already partially speaking. It's heavy sentences in English. Nice. Sweet. Yeah, I mean, I kind of need to figure out how to make a template for making other enemies, because they're all gonna have their own hitboxes, I think. The only way I can think to do that is to make a base enemy like I did here and then just duplicate it and then do whatever I need to do. Like give them their health component and then the sprites. I'm wondering if this is the way to do it though. I'm not even sure. Google Translate says it means, oh no, what have I done? Yep, rip keyboard. Nice. Cool. Yeah, it seems like the way to do it. Conclusion I came to. And if your enemies are just following, you probably don't even need like a state machine, so that's pretty cool. I do want to see if I can make enemies that are a little more sophisticated though. Right. Yeah, like if you're doing something where they just change, like follow and then just like shoot, like that's not really a big deal. You don't really need a state machine for that. Like even for what I'm doing now, like you don't need a state machine for it, but I just have it. I made it for the player and I was like, well, I can use this on enemies now because it just works. The player does kind of need it. Because he can attack, roll, walk. There's just too many things going on. Those conditionals would kill me. Alright. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna have to keep making more art though. So I do. I'm probably whoever comes in the chat, I'm just gonna make them. Lu Duan. Okay. I don't know how to say that. Lu Duan. Probably sound like an idiot. You might be next. But I'll probably have to do that next time. Probably gonna head off soon. Gotta go to bed. It's getting late and it's super hot in here. Okay. Might do a raid. You guys down for a raid? Got anybody like watching? Start by Godot. Tower defense. Pirate Software Jam. We got a Kenny Jam. Anti 567. Hold on. Anti. Oh. Yeah, we can do this. It was a pleasure hanging out with you guys. I had fun. Swing by next time, maybe. If you have any character suggestions, I'll go ahead and make it. And I'll even name it after you. Alright. See you guys later. Peace. If this works. We'll see. We'll find out. It doesn't work a lot of times. Is it gonna work? I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, let me try that. Raid anti 567 567 567 567. Do not allow me to raid at this time. Oh, that's unfortunate. Can't raid him. I'll go with the second suggestion. Yeah, I don't know why. Whenever I try to raid somebody, it's like most of the time it just doesn't work. I think it could be because my account is not 1 month old yet. And a lot of people just have that blocked by default. Maybe. I saw an Andy. I'll just pick one I see here. Let's see. Wait, hold up. We do have Godot. Search live channels, or do software and game development. I think people have Godot tag, but they're not actually doing game dev. Do. Screw it. We'll do a fellow VTuber. Wolfric. Let's go. Let's see if I could do it. I don't know if I could do it. We'll find out. Flash raid. Haha, I can't do it. It's like for whatever reason. I'll try a few more, and then if it doesn't work, then like, screw it, I guess. Godot. Yeah, it's like I'm so limited. I can't do much. It's so weird. No, it's other people's settings that don't allow me to do it. Godot Neovim Chad Dev Arch, by the way. Oh shit. This guy's a neckbeard. I'll send you over to him. Maybe he knows some programming stuff. Just for the name, I gotta do it. It's too good, man. This is culture right here. Slash raid. Boom. Nope, does not allow me. Hello. I'll just click this guy. Let's try. I'm gonna give up if this guy doesn't work. Nope, can't do it. All right. Well, it was a pleasure hanging out with you guys. I can't seem to raid anybody. I don't know why. So, if you haven't followed, feel free to follow. I'll include you in the game next time. Later, guys. Peace.